Enjoy watching the video.
Yes. So, guys, today's topic is very interesting. It's about the four wheels of yoga, it is about the four pillars of yoga, and we will be discussing them in detail. So, we'll be picking up each one of them and we'll be talking about them and making it more relatable and practical. Okay? So, Shreyas, let's just wait for a few people to join in and then
Yes,
we'll
yes, yes.
start.
Till the time I'll set my Bluetooth.
Oh, now everything is fine from your side, like you've set the Bluetooth on and everything is done. Can you hear me? I just said.
It's okay, it's not
fine?
working. Yeah, the Bluetooth is not working, but that's fine.
Okay, you can still hear me, right? So that's the important thing here. Okay, so as we begin our conversation, now I think let's just start with it. So, firstly, before we start with each specific pillar of yoga, so we have four of them. So,
Yes,
before
yes.
that, tell me, how did you, tell me your lifestyle changes once you started doing yoga or once came to know about yoga. So, what were the lifestyle changes which you had?
I had a really good lifestyle changes. I made changes in my diet. I made
Okay.
changes in my stress busters, which I call. I made changes in my thinking pattern. I made few changes in my routine. So now the life is going, quite well. See, life is a really good
Okay.
thing, right? It's beautiful. But the thing is, the lifestyle makes it complicated. So I think ABAB is the
Exactly.
concept.
Right.
Yeah, ABAB is the concept which is very practical in having a good lifestyle.
Okay, so now that we have come to AVAV, let's just start. So, for people who don't know what this exactly means, so AVAV stands for Ahar, Vihar, Achar, and Vichar. Okay, so we'll be dealing with each one of them individually. So, the first one is my favorite, okay, and a lot of people are interested in that topic, and that is
Yes, yes,
Ahar,
yes.
which means the diet. And here we are not just talking about what to eat and what not to eat, we are focusing on how to eat. Okay, so Shreyas, what's your
Exactly.
take on that?
See, what I have seen, the problem with the dietary habit of people is the dietary habit itself. It's okay. What everybody knows what to eat, how much to eat, and when to eat. But
Exactly.
yeah, it's written on Google as well. But what people make mistake, I have observed that in spite of eating healthy food, still they don't see the result because I have seen people disrespecting food. That their attitude
Yeah,
towards food. Let's say there's
true.
a trend which is very trending these days. When you sit to eat something, you simply click a picture and post it on Instagram, which is
Oh, that
indirectly
requires, yeah, that
disrespecting.
requires patience.
Yeah, that requires patience. Then while using mobile phones, having conversation, gossiping, watching TV, these are all indirectly insulting. We in India we call it annadata, right? So we are simply insulting
Yeah.
annadata, the food provider.
Oh, yeah, that's very
So I think the
hurtful.
attitude in in yoga there's a concept called Shiv Sampradaya. We offer the food
Yeah.
to God. And
Yeah.
if have you seen this movie called Fast and Furious?
Yeah, tell me more about it.
Yeah, so in all the Fast and Furious, before eating, always Dominic Toretto, which is his name is Vin Diesel, always make a grace. He always says a
Yes.
grace. This is a thankful phrase
So,
that
in
shows
fact,
that
that is
attitude,
something, yeah. So, that
that
has
you are
always
grateful
been
for
a part
whatever
of
you
our
have in your life.
culture.
Exactly.
True, that has always been a part of our culture. And the
Yes, yes.
fact that a lot of people, I have actually heard people say this, that even if I smell food, I'm going to become fat. Okay, so people are just living with that notion that even when they want to eat something, even when they are eating something, like half your mind is just fixated upon, okay, how many calories am I eating? And am I going to be
Exactly.
fat? Is this going to make me slim? So, with all this thinking going on, are you even going to enjoy that food, or are you even going to value that food?
Exactly. See, these are the secondary things. The primary thing is the attitude towards food. That you are grateful for the food you have or not. That's the first thing. If you are not good with that, then even if you eat healthy, even if you eat high protein diet, it will show results physically but not
Yeah.
mentally. So there's no point of doing that.
True. Guys, if you all have any questions for us, please write in the comments section and we will love to answer you all. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
what you are talking about is so important because a lot of times we emphasize upon what we should eat and क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. So it's always
Exactly.
about चाहिए खाओ ये नहीं खाओ. But it's something more that we are talking about here, and we're talking about the attitude while eating your food, which means that
Exactly.
you are totally engrossed into it. Like if you're having a conversation on the phone, if you're texting somebody, you can't really, pay attention to what you are eating, and your body will not be,
Exactly.
be able to receive it well as well. So, right. Anything more you want to add on that regarding food, since we are talking about ahar?
I think the most of the major problem which I am seeing right now is indigestion. You know,
Oh, yeah,
everyone is
true.
facing it. Yeah, indigestion. It leads to weak immune system,
Hyperacidity. Yeah,
hyperacidity,
true.
and we have, immunity के बारे में बहुत जान ली है कोरोना लॉकडाउन में. I'll give you today's example only. See, even overeating leads to disrespecting food in your digestive system.
Also, you're
I,
disrespecting your
I'll
body because then it's
yeah,
it's
it's
not helping your
disrespecting. I'll
body
give you today's
digest
example.
it.
Yeah, for the lunch there was paneer ki sabji.
Okay,
Yeah, today
right.
there was paneer ki sabji in my lunch. So I was not aware what I'm eating, and I दो रोटी मैंने extra खा लिया. And after eating, I realized अरे यार थोड़ा overeating हो गया. And then I
And then you
started
realize
having
कि आज शाम को टॉक देना है आहार पे ही.
exactly. I was feeling very lazy after lunch. I never feel
But
lazy. I
that
was feeling very
happens.
lazy.
That happens.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that is also disrespecting the food only.
Yeah, true. It's fun that we realize it, but then while we eat, it's a very difficult thing to control yourself and also to decide your portion size. How much to eat is something which
Exactly.
yoga emphasizes about and tells us,
Emphasize.
that you eat like half of what is your stomach capacity, and half should be like you should have liquids with, in your diet. You should have some amount of space remaining for the
Yes, yes.
digestion. So all of these concepts are beautiful. Now let's come to the second thing, which
Hmm.
is vihar.
Yeah. See, relaxing is really important. It is said that 6 to 8 hours of sleep daily is required.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't sleep for 6 to 8 hours, you will get dark circles under your eyes, and that's the motivation for me. To sleep 7 to 8 hours. अरे यार dark circles नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. So I sleep
That
seven to
cannot
eight
be
hours.
motivation to speak. The motivation to
Yeah,
speak
I
is
mean
sleep is to like get
sleep.
up all fresh and yeah, the motivation
It's
to
just
sleep.
it's a joke. It's a joke. I mean, it's a
Yeah.
joke.
So
So you know what people are doing these days? वो पता है क्या 18 घंटा काम करो सिर्फ 4 घंटा सो. So these concepts are really happening these days, and people are not focusing on their sleep. If you see all the successful people now, they always emphasize that you need to sleep 6 to 8 hours a day. So I think sleep
see,
is very
also
important.
because a lot of people, a lot of successful people would also get up early in the morning. So
Get up
invariably
early.
they would like have a set routine wherein they are going back to bed at a fixed time because they tend to begin their hours a lot earlier than what most people do. So, and
Almost
you have
exactly.
people who are
Yeah.
getting up at 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock in the morning. So of course they have a set pattern of sleep as well. So yeah, also the fact that we have so much of like we have so many things, so much of accessibility to our phones, we have laptops, we have work.
Mhm.
So we literally like spend time on our laptops and on our phones till the time we go to bed. So we have our
Exactly. We
charging
do that.
plugs right. Exactly, we have our charging plugs right next to our bed, which also interferes with our sleep.
Yes,
So
yes,
that is
yes.
also one thing we need to
Yeah.
consider.
Simply disturb your sleep pattern. And also
Exactly.
recreation is also important.
Yeah,
You know,
it's a part of Vihar only.
it's
Yeah.
a part of recreation is a part of Bihar. So see, people, everyone works. सब hard work करते हैं यार कोई free नहीं बैठा. But after work you need something which is stress buster.
Yeah, and
सबको
I think
stress हो रहा है which is
hobbies
common.
and yes, and I
Hobbies
think
really help.
hobbies are the best, like way out from that.
Exactly. Channelizing the energy. See, I'll give you an example. For the first time, I'm going live on social media or Instagram. So I'm very
Okay.
nervous, right? So
Oh, are
I'm very
you? It
nervous.
doesn't look like.
Yes, yes, I am nervous. So
Do you have a
nervousness.
flute in your hand? Do you have a flute
Yes.
in your hand?
Let
I'm
me give
gonna
you an
play
example.
something for us. Okay.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Let me give you an example. See, nervousness, anxiety, stress, uh, everything is nothing but emotions, and emotions are eventually an energy. So
Yeah.
let's say I'm nervous today. It shows on my face. So what will I do? I have energy in my body, right? I'm channelizing this energy.
Okay. Yes.
So what I meant was, you see, everyone has channels. If you channelize the energy into something productive, the output would be exceptional.
Okay, so Shreyas has just started to learn, like he's learning, I think for a month, for about a month,
It's
I
been a
think you're
month.
learning the flute.
It's
Yeah.
been a month.
So he's been into dancing, he is a yoga trainer, we know that. So there's a lot
Yeah.
of emphasis he personally gives on hobbies and recreation, and I've known him personally. So that is why he's a big fan of martial arts. And
I
yeah, so there are
so
many
many.
things we've intended to like do all of these fun
Yes, yes,
things.
yes.
Yes, so I think hobbies are very important, and it's sad that a lot of people are actually considering that watching movies is a hobby or chilling on
Exactly.
Netflix is a
No, no.
hobby, because it's not engaging, it's not enhancing your skills, it's not testing your
Exactly.
concentration. So when as hobbies we talk about maybe dancing or singing or drawing, we are talking about the skill
Swimming.
sets, and
Yeah, skill
exactly
set. Exactly.
swimming. And we are also talking about that concentration, wherein if you are drawing something, you are totally there. You are using a
Exactly. You're
part of
being
your brain,
yourself.
and you are,
Yeah.
yes, and you are kind of exercising a certain part of your brain, which is so fabulous. Learning a different language, it could be any damn thing, wherein you physically have to be there, you have to do something. So you can't,
Exactly.
just, okay, so we have Shriya, who's saying genetics, blessed with many hobbies. Okay, Shriya, that's cool. What are your hobbies, Shriya? May I know?
She's into dancing.
Oh, wonderful. I think dance is a
For the
great
people
stress
who don't know
buster.
who Shreya is my
She's a
sister.
sister. I know Shri. So I think dance has always been a great stress buster, right from the time
Yes,
I
yes.
was a kid. Yeah.
And everyone has some or the other hobby. ऐसा कोई नहीं कि
But
किसी को
I
कोई
think
hobby
people
नहीं
will
है.
have to
If you
figure
don't have
it
hobby,
out.
exactly. If you don't have a hobby, best thing is to go for a walk. Simple as that.
वो बन जाएगी हॉबी लाइक अगर ऐसे ही
बन
go
जाएगी, easily बन
around
जाएगी.
watch the trees around, birds around, it will end up becoming something you cherish.
Investing some time in yourself is really important.
See,
So it
also the
leads to
fact
self
is,
development.
yeah, you will have to give yourself that time. Like you will have to try out a couple of things before you can finalize, okay, this is what I like. Because there'll be a lot of things which you will not like. Like you may try,
Exactly.
going
Yes.
for a singing class, a Zumba class, and you will be like, no, that is not for me. But at least to come for that realization, you
At
will
least you
have
are
to give it a
exploring.
shot.
Yeah.
Exactly. You'll have to give it a
Exactly.
shot to
Let's
come
take
to that
initiative. That's more important.
conclusion. Okay,
Yes.
so we
Yes.
have somebody. Okay, so we have somebody giving you like a special hi. Chaudhary
Okay.
Shriyam. Okay, hi Chaudhary Shriyam. And
Hello.
okay, so I think it's necessary. So everybody who's watching this right now, can you just quickly tell us what your hobbies are? Okay, so that we also have new ideas, interesting ideas with us. So whoever's watching us, just let us know whatever your
There are any
hobbies
number of
are, what you like doing.
hobbies. Where there's a
Yeah, in
will,
your
there's a way.
free time. I know. No, I think even gardening as a hobby is very cool.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I've tried 2, 3 times in the yoga
Yes.
institute.
Monty, we
It
know your
makes you
hobby is
stress.
dancing. We have Shriyam, who's okay, he's a musician, great. So they're like creative people joining in. Yeah, we were saying something, Shreyas. I'm so sorry to cut you off.
I don't remember. It's okay. Let's avoid that.
Okay, fine. So as you guys keep on telling us your hobbies, we will quickly go to our third topic, which is
That's Asha.
achar. Okay, the most important one.
Yeah.
Start.
So, it's a myth with today's generation that having a robotic lifestyle, no, having a routine lifestyle is robotic. Well, in fact, it's not. It's actually a real boss thing. You see, all the successful people, they have routine. They do everything on time. And it's having a routine is all about time management.
Yeah, it's a power of
Understand one thing.
repetition.
Yeah, time management. See, understand one thing. Time is the most powerful thing in the world, right?
Even
If
more
you
than money.
disrespect, exactly, it's more than money. Yeah, That's the reason
Okay,
in
so we
Hindi we
have
say,
Shriyam telling us that he has a
it's
YouTube
okay,
channel.
Shriyam, we'll subscribe to your
Okay,
channel.
okay.
That's fine.
Sure, everybody watching this, please watch Shriyam's channel on YouTube.
Yeah. So what was I saying?
You were talking
Uh,
about routine and the importance of
routine.
having a routine and
See,
time management.
routine will have, first of all, having a routine life is all about time management. You do everything on time, right? It's all about
Yeah,
respecting time. And many people I have seen, अरे
true.
यार ये ऐसा robotic life थोड़ी जीनेगा. See, I want to be free. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But at least have some routine. It will make you,
Yeah.
it will automatically make you disciplined.
Yeah, I think discipline is
So
one
having
thing
a routine
which
life,
is
yeah,
difficult.
having a
Yeah.
routine life is really important.
And I think now that we are in the quarantine, like, of course, we are officially not in the lockdown. We have started, going out a little. But I think the entire lockdown was an example that how difficult it is to live if your routine is disrupted.
And
Wherein
it's also
your
an
sleep
opportunity
time.
to, yeah, it's also an opportunity to make your own healthy routine.
Yes,
So
but then
whoever
again,
has
as we
made healthy
said,
routine,
yeah.
they are blessed. Exactly.
Yeah, so if you are like right now, if you are blessed that you are having a job, like a lot of people of course went through a lot of difficult times in this period. So if you are on the other side of it, then of course this is a great opportunity to discover yourself, discover what you like, and create new habits for yourself. So when we talk about routines, it's also the habit setting which we are talking
Having, yeah,
about.
particular time that you give to
Yeah.
yourself.
True. And guys, whatever we're talking right now is a part of yoga. So anybody who's feeling that why are these guys just randomly talking about these things? Because the yoga philosophy does talk about these things. So it's not like
Yeah,
we
yeah.
are just talking
If you
randomly.
apply practically, it does make sense. It will help you out. Definitely.
So all of these concepts are a part of Yoga Sutras. In fact, Yoga Sutras have only like 3 sutras which talk about asanas. So the
Hmm.
entire, remaining content, like the content of that book is mainly the philosophy aspect. So that's what we are discussing
Exactly.
here. Yes.
You know,
And yeah, tell
for the
me.
younger generation, if you see now, they have this attitude, अरे यार party करेंगे, overnight party. Sometimes it's good, but you'll enjoy this party till 26, 27.
No, because
After
after
that,
that you're
you'll only
scared.
seek,
You're like,
yeah,
what do I do with my
no, no,
life?
after 27, 28, you'll only seek mental peace, and you will definitely get mental peace if you have a good, healthy routine.
Okay, thank you, Shubham. I'm getting a compliment from Shubham. Thank you.
Dude, even I have a good smile, yeah. It's okay.
The compliment is from me, okay? Don't take my compliment away. Thank you, Shubham Kapoor. Okay, so as we were saying, yeah, I think after a certain age, you are more about like you want mental peace and you want stability, you
Exactly.
want like also money for which we generally work. So that's also true. But yeah, I think I'm a person who likes to have a routine. In fact, I will go
Same here.
crazy if I don't have a routine. I will
Same,
literally
yeah.
die of boredom if I don't have a routine. Yeah, of course, that's applicable for you as well. Okay, so we have Avni Kolas saying that discover a new
His
talent
name
or
is Avinash.
skill.
Yeah.
Okay, can be done by both employed and unemployed professionals as long as there is dedication and discipline. Perfectly
Of
said.
course, yeah, perfect. It
I
does make
so
sense.
agree with you. Yes, yes, definitely. That's a great point she's made. Discipline and dedication, both D's, very important.
Yes.
And yeah, I mean, I can't imagine a life without routine. I mean, I remember going for vacations and literally being like, okay, what do I do now? Because you're so, I mean, of course, that's the extreme end, that's the other side of it, which is a little extreme. That
Extremely.
even on vacations, I'm like, okay, what do I do now? I'm getting bored. So I would just go back to sleep because that's one thing which you can do, nicely. So yeah,
And
but
going back to sleep in the odd time also ruins the routine.
oh, yeah.
So
So it
that's the
depends.
problem.
Like, if you are
It depends.
sleeping for like 15, 20 minutes, like the nap, which is, generally recommended in
Yes.
the afternoon, is necessary. But it's
It's
very
necessary.
difficult for people to get up after 15 minutes. So the 15, 20 minutes goes up for
20 minutes.
like 2 hours or 3 hours. Then that's a problem because you are like because when you get up, you are again going to be lazy. So, if you're
Exactly,
sleeping
exactly.
in the afternoon for like 2, 3 hours. So that's something we don't really advise in yoga.
Emphasize,
And
yes.
then the last thing we have, which are?
Which that's thoughts. Dude, while sitting in the lockdown, everyone is having this overthinking problem. So I think
Yeah.
overthinking is the major problem when it comes to, mental health.
Peace. Yeah,
See,
yeah. True.
overthinking
Mental
is
peace and
nothing
mental
but
health.
there's a seed and you're watering that seed and it grows to plant. Same with overthinking, right? When there is a thought, you are constantly thinking, you are overthinking on that particular thought, and it grows and it leads to stress. See, if you
Yeah.
be more specific, there are two types of thought, right? Positive and negative. Should I use the word positive because that's the most negative word these days?
No, I don't find anything negative about positivity. I mean,
Go
yeah, you
with
can use the
positive.
word. There's no problem.
So see, there are two types of thoughts, right?
Okay,
Positive, positive.
was that joke meant for like corona positive? I just
Yes,
realized it
yes.
now. Oh my God.
It's okay. I was just testing his sense of humor. That's okay.
No, it just struck to me now and I was like, okay, what is that? Okay, fine, yeah. No, but this
Yeah,
is in a
I'll,
different
I'll, I'll
context,
explain.
yeah.
Exactly. I'll explain how overthinking affects. You have a negative thought, you're constantly thinking about a negative thought, it will create negative energy around you that will lead
True.
to stress, frustration, anger, and eventually that it leads to depression. That's for negative. And again, if you have a positive thought and if you are overthinking that positive thought, it's even dangerous. It's even dangerous than overthinking of a negative thought. I'll give my own
How?
personal example. I think,
Yeah.
see, I don't know, you'll find it funny. I was very passionate about dancing in college days.
Yeah, I know
Whenever
that.
whenever I used to get time, I used to plug in earphones and simply start dancing
You still
just
do
to
that, by
avoid.
the way.
Yeah, I still do that, but not with that passion.
Okay, okay.
So I used to dance just to avoid gossiping, and I used to feel very positive about myself, after dancing. But when the graduation was done, I somehow lost my passion in dancing. And I was very frustrated and agitated about that. Arey, abhi aage karu kya? I lost my passion in dancing. Then I happened to join the yoga institute. And then somewhere I
Okay.
realized that I was over passionate about dancing. Not passionate, I was actually over passionate. मैं जिधर भी
And
जाता
it
था ना
just
सिर्फ डांस
changed. Yeah.
yeah,
It just changed over time.
and that's when I realized that I was feeling positive, but that was over positivity, and because of that I lost my passion in dancing. So over positive
Okay.
thought is even dangerous. So
So
it
I
has
think
to
you're
be
talking
balanced,
about, yeah, I think you're talking about dependency here, which means that you have one
Exactly.
thing and that becomes the only thing in your life. And
Only thing,
suddenly,
only
when your feeling changes, you are again back to square one wherein you don't know what to do. So, yeah, so
exactly,
what you
exactly.
mentioned is very important, and you mentioned balance. So, yoga is all about
Balance.
balancing and trying to be, equanimous about things. So, yeah, that's kind of true. So,
See,
I
people
agree with
always say,
that.
always think positive. I mean, always thinking positive is like running away from negativity. You can't run away from negativity. It's there. You have to accept.
Exactly. So, which again brings us to the point that it is all about balance. So, if it is like
It's always
70-30, great. Like, if it's becoming 50-50, you are a little bit in danger because then you could just
danger.
sink
Yes.
into your negativity. And,
Negative side.
once you are in that spot, it is difficult for you to come back again,
Come back.
into
Exactly.
a positive frame of mind. So, that is true. But I think as long as we have a balance there, around 70-30 or even 60-40, 60%
64.
positivity, 40 negativity, I think you are fine, because we all have the
It's
days
fine.
wherein you feel sad, we all have
Yes.
days
Yes.
wherein we feel hurt, and it's nothing to be ashamed about, or it's nothing to avoid,
Exactly.
because unless you accept it, you're never going to resolve that. And we know that the most energy which is wasted, like what is most energy consuming, is our unresolved emotions. So it's there in your mind,
Exactly.
you are having conversations in your mind with somebody, and it's just draining you mentally. So that is the
I
importance
still
of
do that.
which are.
मेरे घर वाले कि क्या बात कर रहा है? Is he mad or what? But वो होता है यार. I can't help. I'm
I
trying
know,
to
like
change that.
it's just human, yeah. It's just
Yeah, it's
human
me.
of us to imagine situations in our mind which probably might never happen. Like we don't know whether they're happening or no. And the other funny thing is, most of our thinking, like of course, it's either the past or either the future. So
Future.
when we talk about the past, we actually go back into situations and then imagine what differently we could have said, what we could have done, and then that's the
Exactly.
link,
Comebacks.
of one thought, exactly, of one thought to the other, and we are just in a different world altogether.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
So any example on that, like on that line?
Uh, Example, I don't really think about past much. So,
Okay, you think
yeah.
about the future too much.
Present. I used to think only about the future, but
Okay.
now I feel like, chal yaar, let's be present because you don't know what's
And
gonna
how
happen.
is, yeah, and how is yoga helped you in that? Like asanas, pranayam, any technique, anything in yoga which specifically has helped you?
Specifically, I think pranayam has really helped me because I'm an asthmatic patient. I had asthma.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I think pranayam has really helped me. I still used to work out. Before the yoga, I used to work out. वो बोलते ना वो that attitude wasn't there, the respect wasn't there. वो सिर्फ मैं fit रहने के लिए workout करता था. But asana has, every asana has that attitude towards it. So I think
True.
that doing asana has made me more disciplined in life these days compared to before.
Wonderful. So AV leads us to discipline. That is a good way to,
It's the entire lifestyle.
summarize
I mean,
it.
see, we talk about businessman and being a business. I'm a marketing professor. I'm marketing profession. So we talk about business management, but we don't talk about life management. There are
Nobody
n number
teaches
of
us
management.
that. Nobody teaches us that. We have no
It's
university
like,
which
see,
teaches us
there's
that.
there's people management, stress management, time management, business management. But the root of all these management is life management. If you have
And I think,
if you
yeah, true.
yeah if your life is managed, every else management falls in place.
Yeah, and I think self-management, just like going
Self
inwards and
management,
like understanding yourself is so necessary before
exactly.
you can like manage everything else. Yeah, it's great. It's coming from a marketing professional. Like, happy it's coming from
See, you know
somebody.
how I understood this ABAB concept? I this ABAB concept, I relate this concept to marketing. In marketing, there's concept called 4 Ps: product, price,
Yeah.
place, promotion. Every
Yes.
marketing strategy has the same thing. Every marketing strategy is designed on that 4 Ps: product, price, place, promotion. Price
Guys,
bhi
pay
galat hua,
attention.
the entire
Shreyas
market.
Manek is giving us the tips regarding marketing here, along with yoga.
Yeah.
Come
See,
on.
if any of these product, price, place, promotion, कुछ भी उसमें issue आता है, तो entire marketing strategy fails. Same with life management. Your 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 life
Yeah.
is like, it's like a car. Life life your lifestyle is like a car. It has 4 wheels: A, V, R, V, R, Achar, Vichar.
Yeah.
All the cars, one thing which is common in all the cars, that it has 4 wheels. Design अलग रहता है, power अलग रहता है, brand अलग रहता है, color अलग रहता है, but the entire car is balanced on 4 wheels. एक भी wheel को कुछ
True.
problem हुआ,
It
so
can't
entire
function.
yeah, you can't function. So it's
Yeah,
the
it
same.
can't function. Yeah, and also with individuals, this is a very great example that you mentioned कि engine अलग रहता है, design अलग रहता है. It's the same with humans. I mean, what will
Same
work
with
for
you.
me will not work for you. It might not
Exactly.
work for you. So, which is why it is important for you to realize that you need to sit down with yourself and then think कि what will you like. तो इवन हम जब भी हॉबीज की बात करते हैं आई कैन नॉट टेल यू दैट ओके यू हैव टू लाइक डांसिंग इट हैज टू बी समथिंग विच रियली रेजोनेट्स विथ यू इट हैज टू बी समथिंग विच रियली
Exactly.
मेक्स यू
See, I'll
फील
give my
अलाइव
own personal example only. In dancing only, I have explored so many dance styles. I used to
बचाता
do Bollywood, yeah, Bollywood, contemporary, jazz, hip hop, locking, house, bachata, kizomba, and after exploring all these styles, now I know that which style is suitable for me. So now I'm
okay which one
focusing
is
more on.
which is suitable for you
Okay, it's bachata. So I'm working on that.
I knew it that's why I said it the first
It's a very cute dance style.
yeah of course it's very well coordinated like I've seen
Very
people
coordinated.
dance and it's very well coordinated and requires a lot of
It's all about
concentration.
connection. It's all about
Yeah,
connection.
true. It's all about like a teamwork there.
Teamwork, yes.
So
दो
yeah,
जन में भी टीम
so
तो होता ही है ना.
yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. So yeah,
And
from
it actually
AV,
bachata
we have
also
come down
helps.
to dance.
No, bachata also helps me in being a good leader, because in bachata what happens, guy is a lead and girl has to follow. तो
Yeah,
लड़की वही करेगी जो मैं उसको कराऊंगा. So it improves my leadership skills as well, कि इसको lead कैसा करना है, कहाँ
that is a
जाना है.
very weird example. I've never heard such an example before. Okay, that makes sense though,
But it does
because
help. It does.
yeah. Okay, that's a good thing. Hello, aesthetic. I'm not able to pronounce the name. So
I think it's
hello.
my friend only.
Okay.
Yeah, his name is Siddesh, I guess.
Okay, hi
He was my senior
Siddesh.
in college.
Okay, it's great to have you here. And so this brings us to the conclusion part of AVAV. And anything you would like to just conclude, like advice or whatever, like for people who are watching us right now, like just a short summary.
Please have good lifestyle. I would simply say that. Do whatever you want to do. Eat whatever you want to do, but make sure you eat in right quantity with good attitude and on time.
Yeah, and it should
Have a
make you
good routine.
happy. Yeah, it should
Exactly.
make you
भले
happy.
12 बजे सो 8 बजे उठो, but make sure you have a fixed time
Oh, yeah,
because that
right.
that really helps. Having a fixed routine, it also makes you disciplined. So I think it's really important to have a good routine. Same with VR. Have some hobby. Have some hobby. Anything,
Yeah,
any art. It can be anything. Art, sports, anything that will make you connect with your inner self. So it's really important to get connected with the inner self. So have some hobby. और
yes.
सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ hobby होता ही है.
Yeah, and
As
if
I
you
said, if
guys
you
want
don't
to
have
try
hobby, go
yoga
for a
as a hobby, exactly. And if you want to try yoga as a hobby, then you all can contact us because we are yoga trainers here.
Hey,
So we are always here. We are always here for you
the girl is
to
learning marketing
help you.
these days.
Okay, so you taught me marketing like skills, so I'm just using them now.
See, in yoga we say, always be aware what you eat because the entire life depends on food. आप क्या खाते हो depend करता है आपके thoughts क्या हैं. What you eat. If you eat heavy, you won't. If you eat heavy in night, relaxation में problem आएगा, सोने में problem आएगा. You'll feel heavy breathing
True.
because I've
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
experienced that. If you eat something heavy in the day, I mean in the daytime also you won't have a good routine. So everything starts with the food. So always be aware what you are eating. It's really important to
Yeah, and I think when you are eating, even when you are
when
eating
you are
matters. Like what you eat at night probably will be very heavy for you, but having the same thing early during the day, when your
exactly.
digestive fire is at the maximum, so that is probably the time when it will easily get digested and you will not have much of a problem.
And please consult dietitian. सब कुछ गूगल पे देख के मत करो because
Yeah.
everybody is different. See, in Google I have read
Yeah.
that cheese has protein, but it's not suitable for my body. So why would I eat cheese? Simple as that.
Yeah, right. Yeah, as we said that every car is different, every body is different.
The car is
So that was
different.
a good analogy here. And
But
on that
but the
note, yeah.
basic is same for everyone. The base is same for everyone. It's
Yeah, because
it's
we're
like
all
a pizza.
humans.
The
Yeah.
base is same for every pizza, except
Okay, the
toppings
toppings
change.
differ. Okay, that's really
Yeah.
making me hungry now.
Always be aware what you are eating.
I will very thoughtfully and mindfully have my pizza. There is no problem with that.
See,
With
everyone
complete
loves
awareness.
food.
Yeah.
Everyone loves food. Even I love food. And on top of that, I'm a Gujarati. Cha pivanu, gathia khawanu. There are so many things to eat. But there has to be a limit. There has to be a time. There has to be awareness with proper attitude. So that really matters. That really matters.
Oh, that is so true.
You can't
And
stop eating,
yeah.
definitely. Because of food you are alive. But these are the things which
Yeah, your
needs to
physical body
keep in
is
mind.
what? Like, what is your physical body? Your physical body is just a manifestation of the food you eat. So, if you
Food
see
you
it
eat.
in
Exactly.
terms of, like yoga and whatever, like it means that whatever you eat is literally turning into your body, and that's a phenomenal process.
And stop posting everything on social media while you eat. Yeah,
That just
it's the
makes you
worst.
hungry, okay? That's just
It's
making
not
you
about being
hungry,
hungry.
and
No, it's not about being hungry. See, India में कहावत है नजर लगना. No, not कहावत. It's a concept called नजर लगना, and that really works. That really works. अगर 50 जन को तुम खाना दिखा के खा रहे हो तो नजर सबकी जाएगी ना. And
क्योंकि
even if
सबको
you're eating
खाना
healthy,
रहेगा.
exactly.
Okay, so we have a question for you, Shreyas. Cooking and eating is the best way of diverting your mind. Is that true? Okay, that's a
Yes,
good
yes, it's
question.
definitely. I cook, so that's the reason. I cook. I cook. I'm
Yeah,
aware what I'm
cooking
eating.
is a beautiful hobby. Oh, how did we miss cooking as a hobby? It's so beautiful to cook.
Exactly. I More than hobby is a real life skill.
Yeah, and I
Cooking
think
is a real
everybody
life.
should know it. Yeah, everybody should know it.
At least मैगी को छोड़ के, but
Maggie is
वो
not
basic
cooking,
तो
yeah.
होना ही
Maggie is
चाहिए.
like just. अभी Maggie
The
भी
most
नहीं आता तो
difficult
it's
thing
a
is to make
problem.
roti. Roti is difficult to
I
make,
don't
but
know roti. Like I have not really made roti.
other things are easier. सब्जी बनाना, दाल बनाना, fry it. You can at least देख वो पता है एक कहावत था. I don't know how to say that. जिसके पास जिसको जिसको खाना बनाना आता है ना वो कभी भूखा नहीं मरता, इवन इफ दे डोंट हैव
उसको
मनी.
आता है ना इसके लिए.
Like,
Wait,
some of the
we
other,
have Deep saying that eat it and post your food pictures after 2 hours so that my food gets digested. Okay, no, Nazar. It's a,
oh,
yeah, you can like,
that's a unique way, you know.
yeah, like I've
That's what
already
I said.
eaten my
Where there is
food.
a will, yeah, where there is a will, there is a way. अगर
Yeah,
इच्छा है फूड अपलोड करने की तो
खा के करो.
making, yeah, making video is different thing. That in video you are teaching, but you are actually यार यार गरम गरम खाना है, ऐसा कैप्शन डाला, today the food is this, I'm so hungry, it's so yummy, it looks so yummy, क्यों भाई खा लेना चुपचाप.
So your concept, like what you are trying to say, is that once you are finished eating, you like then post a picture of the empty plate so that everybody.
Why do you want to post? Don't post on it.
Because people have a medium, like we have an option of doing that, maybe which 20 years back was not an
It was not
option
there.
available, but now it's an easy option, so people do it, I assume.
आज मैंने ये खाया, मैं सबको बताया.
Yeah, true. That's one thing which is happening. Okay, so I think we've covered all four in a pretty like nice way. Yeah, you've answered everything correctly. You have also taught us things about marketing and dancing, and it has been so great to have you. Thank you,
It's
Shreyas.
relatable actually. It's
Exactly,
relatable.
it's relatable. Yeah.
And that's how I've understood the concept of ABA. उसको मैंने
True, like you
marketing
can't
concept से
read.
relate किया.
Yeah, completely true, because you
Otherwise,
can't
it's all
just
about
read it.
marking up और रट्टा मारना.
And you'll not understand it that way. Like yoga, anyway, is not something which you should read and learn. It is an experiential science which has to be
Experience,
felt. You have to actually, try it out, practice it, and then you will realize how beautiful it is. So thank you, Shreyas, for being
Exactly.
here, and thank you everybody who has been with us, and
And
for
thank you
all
for
the
giving
things.
me that
Yes.
opportunity.
Okay, that's like my pleasure, and all of you all who have like just commented and been like interacting with us. Thank you. Okay, Shreyas is really a good dancer. You have a compliment for you as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so you can also go happily from you.
कुछ तो मिला.
Yeah, even you got a compliment.
Yeah, compliments are like that. I forgot that hamper which you get in coffee with Karan.
Okay, you're not getting a hamper here. Okay, talking to me is like an hamper for you. So there is
Oh.
so there's no like materialistic gift nahi dene wali main. It's all about like knowledge and sharing here. So that is what we are looking at. Best chef and good dancer. See, you have your sister also complimenting you.
Yeah, I am a good dancer. मेरा तो dream है यार कुछ खाने पीने का business है. You feel so good about making someone eat. कुछ किसी को खाना खिला के और that satisfaction level is different.
Yeah, like I can be that kisi ko. So whenever you cook, please think of me.
Definitely.
Okay, and on that note, we'll say bye-bye to everybody. Thank you, guys. And tomorrow we'll
Thank
be
you
having
so
a
much.
conversation. Thank you, Shreyas. Tomorrow's conversation will be on the yogic concept Pratipaksh Bhavana, which is basically just, thinking about the opposite of what you are feeling and how affirmations work in that. So tomorrow we'll be having Riya Bheda with us. So that will be interesting as well. And it's time to say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya. Bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe.